We are reviewing one of the budget kits. It's a cool mini kit for installation in places where we have limited space. And let's review what's included in this set. This kit includes an intercom and an outdoor panel. We have an SQ-04M intercom from Slinex. The letter M means that this model has memory included in the package. Is such a cool vandal-proof panel ML-16HD, we have an angled bracket like this to be able to change the viewing angle. We also have a protective hood to prevent water from getting into the speaker and microphone of this panel. Additionally, we have these wires for connecting the outdoor panel and additional analog video cameras. And there is also this installation kit for setting up our devices. And most interestingly, let's now view the image on this screen to see how it looks in real life. Let's pay attention to our monitor now. This is how it looks here. Here at the back, we see the bracket. It comes included, already attached to the intercom itself. It is quite compact, stylish, and easily attaches to its place where it is difficult to install larger intercoms. But this screen will be more than enough to say, a high-quality image, and see who is coming to you. Additionally, it's convenient that this intercom supports a built-in motion detector. Unlike most intercoms on the market, you need to additionally connect a motion sensor for detection to work. Thanks to this feature, you will always be able to see who came to your home, who lingered near your door and possibly left some marks, etc. Let's briefly examine the characteristics of this unique panel. This is our ML-16HD. It comes in an anti-vandal casing without unnecessary plastic, without needless glass that can be shattered or damaged. This is a panel with a 2-megapixel resolution. Additionally, this panel has a viewing angle of 76 degrees, more than sufficient to see who is in front of our house. We also have the option to switch this panel changing video modes on it. We have a special button here. You need to press it for 5 seconds to switch between video modes. That is, we can switch from HD 1080p to HD 720p and switch to a regular analog signal that is needed and necessary for display on the screen in this kit. Great set, highly recommend to everyone. First of all, the price is excellent. Easy installation. Can be installed where it's inconvenient to install a large intercom, vandal-proof panel. Many great settings in the intercom, highly recommend to everyone.